Hi guys, as I have told you in previous video that in next video I'll bring worksheet 1 of chapter 7 linear equation and introduction of worksheet 2. So let's start our today's video. So our first question is, what are the two sides of an equation called? As in previous page we have studied that every equation has two parts or sides named LHS and RHS. So what will be the answer? The two sides of an equation is LHS, means left hand side, and RHS means right hand side. This is our first answer. Now our second question is, in a linear equation what is the power of the variable? This also we have read on the previous page, and its answer is, what is the power of the variable? It is 1. It is 1. Now is our third question. Encircle the linear equations in the following. A. P plus 3 is equal to 5. B. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. C. X square plus 1 is equal to 5. D. X upon 3 is equal to 7. E. X raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 9. F. 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 3. So, can you tell me that which are the linear pairs or which are the linear equations? The variables that are having only the power of 1, that are linear equations, nor anyone else. See, A. P plus 3 is equal to 5. Here variable is P and its exponent or its power is only 1, as no power is given, means it's 1. And in C, x raised to power 2 means it is not there. Here what we will do, see, A is there, so we will circle it. B is there here, as x power is 1 because nothing is written. C. X raised to power 2 means no, that is not a linear equation, as the variable's power is 2. And in second question we have written the answer that the power of the variable is 1, but here the power of the variable is 2, so it is not the linear equation. Here x upon 3 is equal to 7. The power of the variable is 1, as nothing is there, so this is also the linear equation. Here x raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here the power of the variable is 3, nor 1, so this is also not the linear equation. Here 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 3. Power of variable is 1. Here also power of variable is 1. So this is also the linear equation. Clear? Now the turn of the fourth question, that is separate the LHS and RHS. Let's prepare the columns here. LHS and RHS. So our first one is y minus 3 is equal to 9. Put here A. Y minus 3 is equal to 9. We have solved the examples in the introduction video. So y minus 3 is LHS and 9 is RHS. Now B. 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. 2x plus 1 is LHS and 5 is RHS. Now is C. y upon 3 is equal to 9. Our y upon 3 is LHS and 9 is RHS. Here D. 5y minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 2y. 5y minus 1 is LHS and 2y minus 9 is RHS. और इट्स ये कैसे बच्चे, ये ऐसे है 9 माइनस 2y. ओके, दिस इज नॉट, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अवर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन आंसर. नाउ टर्न ऑफ फिफ्थ. लेट कन्वर्ट these statements into the equation. So A part, 3 added to a number x. 3 को हमने एक नंबर में प्लस किया, वो कौन सा नंबर था? x. x is 5, तो क्या आया? बराबर 5. 3 plus x is equal to 5. 3 added to a number x is 5. Now move on to next page, and here a B part is a number y increased by 6 is 9. अब हमारे पास एक नंबर है y, वो इंक्रीज हुआ है 6 से. इंक्रीज मीन्स प्लस, कौन से नंबर से? 6 से. तो क्या बनता है? वो इज 9. A number y is increased by 6. A number y increased by 6 is 9. Now, 2 subtracted from a number x is equal to 10. 2 subtracted from a number x is equal to 10. 2 subtracted from a number x is equal to 10. Now is D. Twice a number p equals to 12. Here, twice a number p equals to 10. Twice means 2. 2p is equal to 10. Twice a number. Twice means multiply. Okay. Now E. 15 less than a number in a A is 7. 15 less means minus than a number A is 7. F. 2/3 a number x is 5. 2/3. 2 upon 3x is equal to 5. 2 upon 3rd. 2/3. थर्ड आ गया तो मल्टीप्लाई. 2/3 पर वो 2 पर जो 2/3 है, मतलब 2 upon 3, वो हमने 2/3 नंबर x था, तो हमने 2 upon 3 को x से मल्टीप्लाई किया था. मतलब 2 upon 3 इंटू x इज इक्वल टू 5, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 upon 3 x इज इक्वल टू 5. ये होता है 2/3 of a number x. Clear? Now our G part, that is 3 times a number x in x decreased by 1 is 4. What? 3 times a number x decreased by 1 is 4. 3 times a number x means 3 into x means 3 into x decreased by 1 minus 1 is 4. उन्होंने यही कहा 3 times a number x decreased by 1 is 4. इसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 3x minus 1 is equal to 4. Clear? Now H part, that is 6 times a number y is 3 more than the number itself. 6 times a number y is 3 more than the number itself. क्या वो 6 times a number? 6 times 6 y is 3 more than means plus than the number, हमारा नंबर क्या था y itself. 6y is equal to 3 plus y means 6 times a number y is 3 more than the number itself. Now is I. 5 less than 1/3 a number z is 5. क्या है हमारे पास अब 5 less than 1/3 a number z is 5. 5 1/3 of z से कम है, जो कि उसके बराबर क्या होगा हमारा 5. Now is J part. This is worksheet 1's last part. 2 times the sum of a number x and 3 equals 14. 2 times the sum of a number x. 2. Till we have read up to 2 times the sum of number x. 2 times a sum of number x and 3. And का मतलब plus x plus 3 is equal to 14. मतलब 2 times a number, the sum of a number x plus 3, x and 3. 2 को हमने x से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 3 से भी करना है, इसलिए हमने दोनों में ब्रैकेट डाल दिया है. Now we will do worksheet 2 introduction of worksheet 2. Now see, this is worksheet 2, but I'll not show you it properly. We have to do examples. Solving linear equation. Finding value of unknown literal in an equation is called solving an equation. अब हम इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? जो हमारे पास चीज नहीं है, जो हमें प्रॉपरली नहीं दी हुई है, उसकी क्वांटिटी हमें नहीं पता है, वो हमने उसको फाइंड करना है, उसे हम कहते हैं किसी चीज की सॉल्विंग. और इक्वेशन है हमारे पास, इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है, तो वो क्या बन गया? सॉल्विंग एन इक्वेशन, सॉल्विंग अ लीनियर इक्वेशन. Now solving an equation by taking different values. हम different values से linear equation को कैसे solve करते हैं? Let us take the equation 2x is equal to 10. We go on checking by taking different values for x. Observe the table. हमने क्या? Now solving linear equation. C. यहाँ पे हमने 2x is equal to 10 लिया है, तो हमने देखना है कि जो 2x की वैल्यू है क्या वो 10 के बराबर आती है या नहीं आती. ठीक है, तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे? देखो हमारे पास सिंपली क्या दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है x, यहाँ पे वैल्यू दी हुई है आपको 2x की, और यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है yes या no. ठीक है, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ये आपको दी हुई है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे है 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 यहाँ तक दी हुई है आपको. तो अब उन्होंने पूछा है कि जो 2x इज इक्वल टू 10, जो 2x है वो उसकी वैल्यू 10 के बराबर आती है या नहीं. तो हम सीधा देख लेते हैं. देखो 2x की वैल्यू इसमें दी हुई है 2, तो ये नहीं है, नो. यहाँ पे 4 है, तो ये भी नहीं है. 6 है, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट. 8 नो. 10 यस, हमें 10 ही तो चाहिए, तो ये है. 12 नो. 14 नो. So LHS becomes equal to RHS only when x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation 2x is equal to 10. So thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.